This is the comparison video of the G18C and the Aftermath M9 Typhoon. To start off with the comparison, the barrels, one is 5 inches and one is 4 1/4.
No,
I mean 3/4. The recoil springs is mine's a little bit tighter wound up. His is just, you know, a little looser. The slides,
7/18.
one is 7 1/8, and the other one,
7.5. I think we rounded.
the other one was a 7.5. Both are one CO2, one's green gas, and this is how it goes together. Recoil spring, push it all the way forward. There you go.
That was weird.
We're having a little difficulty.
Yeah, didn't have difficulty earlier. There we go.
Alright. This is the G18's assembly. Gotta make sure you click in that one piece together. Right. Let me see. Yeah, there's a certain way it has to go. There's a certain way you have to go. You gotta make sure there's this little notch on it. This is all the way pulled back. Oh no. Seems to not want to go inside the little notch.
What?
This little notch right here. Oh, that's why, because this isn't all the way in. Make sure everything's pretty well in there. Alright, now we will slide it together. Alright, fire it once, just to make sure. Alright. Like I said, one mag takes green gas, one mag takes CO2. The G18, the Glock's, basically the Glock's mag, the G18C mag only holds 25, but that technically isn't a extended mag. But the extended mag will hold 50. Nice click to it. We'll do the levers a little bit. We'll show the full out a little bit. This one is a 35 round mag. Technically already extended mag. I don't think they make a bigger mag for it. We don't know that for sure, obviously. And basically, the M9 is obviously bigger. But another cool feature is that the M9 is full metal, which makes it a little heavy. Wait, the bottom's polymer? Oh, this is polymer? Really? Oh.
All the internals and stuff is metal.
Oh, okay. Well, the bottom is actually polymer. On the G18, the slide's metal, and the bottom is polymer.
So it's true.
Except the trigger, obviously.
No, it's
Oh yeah, the trigger is also polymer. Alright. Let me turn on this. Makes it look a little bit better. Next we'll go over is how to take it on, put it on safety, and how to take it off safety. Basically, on here, see that red dot? The red dot that just got covered up is safety. You got that covered, and then you go once up for full, and once more for semi-auto. On the Glock, the only real safety on it, well, the real safety is when the slide pull back, you're able to pull that back, that little silver piece, and it will stop you from pulling the trigger. The secondary safety is actually in the middle of the trigger. I don't know if you can see that, but in the middle of the trigger there's this little piece that sticks up. As long as that piece not pulled down, you can't pull the trigger all the way down and shoot it. They both fire really nice. The M9 shoots 450, and the Glock shoots only about 300, which, you know, really isn't that bad for a really close quarters weapon. So, which is pretty much what most people use their pistol for anyways. And that will conclude the... Oh yeah, that's how you turn it on full. Top is semi, bottom is full. Didn't we say that the M9 was a little front heavy?
But when you have the magazine
The magazine balances out, obviously. Alright, and that will be the full comparison.
This is easier to carry.
Oh yeah, and also the Glock's easier to carry. But that will be the full comparison. I conclude this comparison.